Ah, it's not working. Don't worry, we'll help.
But first, we need to teach you about sound sources.
Welcome to the recording room.
A sound source is anything that makes sound. This can be from a guitar to a piano.
Most sound sources are recorded using a microphone.
For instance, if you were to record a pianist, you would put the mic up close to the strings, connect an XLR to the microphone, and into the wall box, like this. And then into the wall box. Later we'll explain how this is linked to the studio.
However, if you want to record an instrument like a guitar, a more efficient method would be to use a DI box. DI stands for direct input, and what it does is convert the signal from the guitar into one suitable for the mixing desk. You use the DI box. To use the DI box, you plug a jack into the guitar and into the input of the DI box, like so. Then you connect an XLR and into the wall box, which is already done. Now you know about sound sources. For this next bit, we need to go back to the control room.
When something is plugged into the wall box, it goes straight into the patch bay. If nothing is plugged in on the front of the patch bay, it goes straight to the desk, to the sound card, then to the computer.
When the sound comes into the back of the desk, it is separated into these channel strips, which allow you to control certain qualities such as the initial gain, the auxiliary outputs, the basic EQ, panning, and the output to the buses.
The desk is the most important tool to a technician. We'll use as it... Okay. The desk is the most important tool a technician will use as it gives them precise control over multiple simultaneous inputs.
It also has the ability to give sound back to the performers using talkback mics. Liam, give us a wave. Yeah, see, that works.
When sound comes into the desk, you need to set the gain so that it isn't too high, otherwise the audio signal will distort. The EQ settings need to be correct so you get a clear sound, and also so you can cut out unwanted sound. To assign a channel to a bus, you need to select it on a channel strip, then pan it. So, like 1 and 2. Pan it to the left for 1, pan it to the right for 2. Also, remember to turn up the bus faders.
Hi, now first you need to do is open Logic, then click New, and then Empty Project, and then select you want 2 audios because we're using 2 microphones. Hey, now you want to click Ascending, so your first track goes into input 1 and your second track goes into input 2. And then click Record Enabled. Once you've hit Record Enabled, hit Create. And then it will ask you to save. And then we just called it our awesome jam. And after doing that, it should be ready to record. Thanks to me, Paul, Josh, and James, you should be able to know what sound sources are now and what to do once they're in Logic. So here they are, there they are. And then now you're ready to record. If you just wait and see, I've started recording the piano to 2 different microphones. Okay, there you go.